The Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes haven't even released yet, and these things are already going for under retail, man. It's crazy. It's definitely crazy out here, but I'm gonna put y'all on game today, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a different little view today. Be standing up and talking to you guys about some of these releases from Jordan Brand are going for under retail or right at retail, which is kind of unheard of given like what has happened within the last couple years prior to 2023. Inflation, all that stuff is crazy. But if you got a couple extra funds and you want to add a new pair of Jordans to the collection, you're at the right spot, man. Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. On mics go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, bro. And yeah, man, this video should be very, very interesting. And if I miss any sneaker, if I don't highlight a certain Jordan, please go ahead and comment down below. There's gonna be people that come to this video looking for what the best option is as far as Jordans that are going for retail or right under retail, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, man, the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes are already going for under retail. Haven't even released yet. We got another week until these bad boys do release. Did the crazy shock drop. They did an EA for the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, and then we are about to get the official release. So you can already, you know what I'm saying, pretty much say that the resale will drop even more when we do get closer to the drop, because pairs from the EA probably still ain't got there. People probably ain't even open their box to check them out, but this is a very, very cold pair of Air Jordan 11s in my honest opinion. I know a lot of people, I would say from 2020 to 2022, base the sneaker how dope it is off of the resale value, which I do not agree with at all. This sneaker right here is going ahead and snub that all the way. This is a very, very nice pair of Air Jordan 11s, clean colorway. Didn't get the DMPs, but it gave us the DMP look to it. The Gratitude joints got the gold on the 2-3 and the Jumpman. And you guys can go ahead and check your size right now, and I guarantee you, if you don't wear size 18 or 20, these things are going for under retail value, man. And next we have an Air Jordan I released super recently, the Air Jordan 3 off NOIR, man. Check these out, bro. Just a clean pair of Jordan 3s that, you know what I'm saying, went under the radar just because there is a lot going on. I would say that. It's a lot of releases, a lot of heat dropping. People prioritize the Alma years. But as far as a clean Air Jordan 3 for something you can wear every single day, I can literally wear this what I got on right now. This is the Jordan 3 you want to go after. Only thing is, this does not come in extended sizing, which kind of sucks. But nonetheless, if you do fit up to that size, I think it is a 10.5 or size 11, you can get into that women's extended sizes. But people was trashing this sneaker. People saying that they ain't getting it. People say it's not a cop. And even people said they will go into retail, which happens to be the case. These are going for under retail currently. Air Jordan 3 off NOIR is still a crazy, crazy pair of Air Jordan 3s in my opinion. And I had to add these things to the collection, man. If y'all want to see an on feed over these off NOIR 3s, go ahead and comment it down below. And it's even a couple of sneakers you guys see over here on the like shelves are going for under retail. So let's go ahead and grab the first one that comes to mind. And it happens to be the Air Jordan 1 satin breads, bro. Yes, these are going for under retail, a bread colorway that everybody loves. Probably the best Jordan 1 colorway, the bread. Probably, you know, it's up there with the Chicago's, up there with the, you know what I'm saying, the Royals, and maybe the Shadows. But as far as these satin breads right here, man, these dropped back in the day. It was limited, a lot more limited than this drop right here. This happens to be a woman's exclusive. So it kind of, you know what I'm saying, push out those people, those big sizes, those men. But if you fit into that extended size, like I said, with the Air Jordan 3 off NOIR, this is definitely up your alley, man. Super clean, got some dope fits out of these already. And nonetheless, bruh, if you can get them in your size, grab them ASAP Rocky, because our resale is low, bruh. It's the perfect time for us sneakerheads, man. And then we have an OG pair of Jordans over here as well, bruh. We have the Air Jordan 13 playoffs, bruh. These right here so cold, man. Super, super clean, classic, iconic sneaker, and currently going for retail or under retail in every single size, bro. It's kind of crazy. These were released earlier this year. One of those sleeper OGs that nobody's talking about, because we did get a couple more OG colorways like the playoff 8s over there. But nonetheless, bro, the playoff 13s have to be Top three, bruh. Top three Air Jordan 13 colorways of all time. You guys can go argue with me in the comments if you want to, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot of you guys that do agree with me, say that this is one of the best 13 OG colorways, bruh. Go ahead and check them out, see what they're going for on your sides, and let me know if you do have these joints in the collection, man. Man, I don't know what it is, bruh. I said last year that it's gonna be the uprise of Air Jordan 3 colorways in 2023. That did not happen to be the case, because we did get the Air Jordan 3 Fears, and y'all see what happened to these, bruh. These things are gonna be going for the low, bruh. Gonna be in everybody's outlet. It's gonna be on sale everywhere, just like we've seen with a couple other Jordans this year. But nonetheless, bruh, super clean, super subtle. And this pair right here, when they released back in the day, went for some numbers. People loved them. People were buying them up. And now you can find these at all your local retail shops, Foot Locker, Champ Sports, Dick's, all that good jazz, and add these joints to the collection, man. Super clean. And I first seen what my size was going for. I said, man, I probably pulled the trigger a little too early. Could have gone for like 170, 160, but I had to get them, bro. I didn't want to take no chances. But now it seems like you guys can wait for a lot of these regular or general release Jordans that have been dropping, like these Fear 3s right here, man. And the Reimagined line kind of took off this year. I ain't gonna lie, we got a lot of Reimagines. I feel like too many. We got the Satin Breads, we got the Reimagined 1s, and we got the Reimagined 3s as well, which I want to talk about real quick. These Reimagined 3s, I talked about them probably like in May or June timeframe, and they were going for right at retail, and I said, bro, buy these joints now. This is when I got my double up pair. I said, buy them now because the resale price will start skyrocketing. If you go check these joints now, from when I first initially dropped that video, they went from $210 to $215. Now these things are touching $300, bro. That's why I said, man, you gotta watch the videos. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? Listen to what your boy Da Vinci is talking about. But go check your size right now. You probably got a pair, but these things are starting to rise, bro. Next year, February, March timeframe, easily every single size is gonna be going for over 300 bucks. But this is not at that retail, under retail price, but I did want to sneak this in there real quick. Reimagined 3s definitely deserve the credit. Super fire. The best Jordan of the year, the best release of the year in my opinion. But go ahead and snag these things up, bro. For that resale, keep rising, bro. But I did want to grab the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined, guys, bro. These right here, man, literally, bro, the biggest flop of the year in my honest opinion. And these right here are trending all over Twitter, IG. I was even surprised. Nike themselves are selling these things for $135, bro. $135 right now. Get you a clean pair of Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined, and it's gonna be the same thing like the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. The resale low right now, going for a low ski. But I'm telling y'all, within the year time frame, next year, I'm gonna come back to this video and we're gonna compare the prices, bro, because I'm telling y'all, bro, these joints are going to rise, man. I'm already knowing it. You guys can, you know what I'm saying, go crazy down below in the comment section if you want to. I know we all wanted the OG pair, or even give us a Reimagined like the Lost and Found Chicago's, give it a spin off of that, but they gave us an all suede pair, but we ain't really seen a lot of all suede pair of Air Jordan 1s. That's why I think next year around this time we won't see no 135 prices, bro. We're not even gonna talk about the Air Jordan 13 weeks because now we just get into a rabbit hole, man. Go ahead and check out StockX. Go ahead and check out GOAT. Go ahead and check wherever you want to. But a lot of these Jordans have been going for under retail or right at retail after the drop, or even before the drop, just like the Gratitude 11s. They're going for under retail, man. Stuff is crazy out here. But it is what it is, man. It's the best time for sneakerheads. The best time to add these pairs to the collection now while the retail, the resale is low. So don't miss out. Don't wait too late because, like I said, man, because you never know when these resale prices are going to start rising in some of these GR Jordan releases. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you miss out on any content that we do drop. And go ahead and leave a huge like on today's video, man. Again, appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. All that's been said, man, your boy Da Vinci. Gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.